I'm going to show you how I make $5,000 passively every month in crypto, and we are starting right now. We are going to talk today exactly about a project called Strong. This project that I've been watching for the past few months, and I have already invested in this project, and it's already making me money passively without putting any efforts, and it's literally an easy passive income if you have got money on your hands and you are looking to invest it. So what is a node? Basically, a node is a connection point or a place where the miners, when transaction pass between a pair and another pair within the blockchain, they get confirmed and they get mined. Basically, node is a place where they do a final confirmation of this transaction. Basically, it boosts the security of the transaction and the security of the blockchain and the credibility of the blockchain, and it makes it easier to use and faster. So basically, a Strong is a project that gives you a node. Basically, you became a developer or someone who provides a service within a blockchain, not just someone who buy a coin within this specific blockchain and just hold it for a long term. You became one of the ones who developed that blockchain. So Strong came with a service, as you can see in the screen, called Nodes as Service. Basically, when you buy 10 Strongs that are worth right now only around $50, you will get a node within the blockchain. So let me show you the tokenomics behind this project and show you how you can make money passively. So basically, when we go to the tokenomics here, we can see that when the Strong is worth $1,000, you are going to get $91 a day. And when the Strong is worth $400, you are going to get $36 a day. So basically, you get 0.091% of a Strong every day. So when the Strong right now is worth $44. Basically, you are going to get 0.091 of Strong every day. So when you buy a Strong, when you buy 10 Strongs and get a node, basically it will take from you around 100 days to get your money back. And from 100 days and up, all the money that you are going to make is going to be your own, and it's all profit. So basically, all it takes to make your money back only 100 days, which is great and something hard to find in other projects. So as you can see here, Strong got 49,000 people in their watch lists. And as you can see here, if we go to all-time high, we can see that the all-time high of this coin is $1,000, which is really big. And as we can see here, it's now only $44, which is a big discount if you want to get into these projects, such as I am. Basically, I have already 2 nodes that I bought back in the days, and they have already made for me the money back, and all the money that I'm making right now is profit. So I really don't mind if the price is down right now, because I've already made my money back, and all the money right now is all passive and all mine. So it takes from you 10 Strong coins to get a node within this service. Basically, how you can get a node, we can jump directly right now, and let me show you how you can do it yourself. So as you can see here, I've got 2 nodes. One, I have created it back in 7 January 2022, and the first one I got it back in November 2021. And as you can see here, there's a maximum of number of nodes that you can create, which is 100. And this is my node rewards, like that I can claim right now, but I'm not going to claim it because it's in the blockchain, of the Ethereum, in the Ethereum blockchain. And as you know, the gas fees within this blockchain is very high, so I'm just trying to claim more, and I'm trying to gain more and claim it at once. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a node yourself. All you need is a wallet. It can be MetaMask, for example, and you need to have 10 Strong within that wallet, and you can go directly and create and link your MetaMask to the Strong blog website that I'm going to leave down in the description. And you can follow the steps that I'm going to do right now. It's super easy to do. You can just go there and create a node. As you can see here, we have the Polygon blockchain, the Sentinel blockchain as well, and the Ethereum blockchain. You can just give the node a name, and you give it a description, then go down there and click directly on create a node, and you have a node right now. So as I mentioned, I have 2 nodes personally, and I have already made my money back, which was an initial investment in first 100 days of creation of the node. and all the money that I'm making right now are all passive income, and literally I make money when I'm sleeping. So if you are looking to buy nodes and send them to your MetaMask wallet, you can go directly to any of these exchanges. Let me show you. I personally bought it from KuCoin. You can buy it directly from Uniswap or Guess.io and Polynex as well. So these are all markets that you can buy strong coin from them, and there is different markets here. There is also something very important about this project, which is the staking of the strong coins that you get as a reward. So they keep the coin stable in a certain level. So basically, as you can see here, they give a 50% APY. They give a 50% APY if you wanna stake your strong in the strong pool, and here at the Ethereum 2.0 they give a 16% APY as well. So basically, once you make strong as a passive income, you can take it right from there and put it on and stake it on strong pool or stake it on the Ethereum, as we just have seen. So basically, it's all passive, requires zero work, and requires literally nothing. So that's it for today's video, and if you want to stay updated about all the crypto news and all the opportunities that you can take it and make money out of it, you can follow me on Twitter. You can see it right here or right here, and don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what topic you want me to talk about and explain it for you. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you on the next video.